Life in the kitchen should be fun. Cooking is not just about preparing meals. It's about creating memories and sharing moments with loved ones. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, the kitchen is a place where everyone can come together and enjoy the process of making delicious food. We all need a helping hand sometimes. Having someone to assist with chopping, slicing, and dicing can make the experience more enjoyable and less stressful. It's these little moments of teamwork that make cooking a delightful activity. That's where Clever Cutter comes in. This innovative tool is designed to make your kitchen tasks easier and more efficient. Imagine cutting through vegetables and fruits with minimal effort, saving you time and energy. This two-in-one wonder combines a knife and cutting board. It's a revolutionary design that simplifies the cutting process, allowing you to chop and slice with precision and ease. It's perfect for fast chopping and slicing. Whether you're preparing a quick salad or a gourmet meal, the Clever Cutter ensures that your ingredients are ready in no time. Get ready for easy meals in minutes. With the Clever Cutter, you can cut down on prep time and focus more on enjoying your food. It's a game changer for anyone who loves to cook but wants to save time. Clever Cutter is a great tool for every kitchen. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and its versatility means you can use it for a variety of tasks. From slicing vegetables to cutting meat, it's an all-in-one solution. It's perfect for small spaces. If you have a tiny kitchen or limited counter space, the Clever Cutter is the ideal tool for you. It combines multiple functions into one, saving you space and reducing clutter. It's easy to use even if you are new to cooking. The Clever Cutter is designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible for everyone. Whether you're a novice or an expert, you'll find it incredibly user-friendly. The Clever Cutter is a must-have for quick and easy meals. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen, helping you prepare delicious dishes in a fraction of the time. Get yours today and start chopping like a pro. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the Clever Cutter and transform your cooking experience. The Clever Cutter is designed for ease of use. Its ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hand. This makes chopping a breeze. The sharp stainless steel blade glides through food. It makes even slices every time. The built-in cutting board protects your countertops. It also catches all the chopped food. No more messy cleanup. The Clever Cutter is also dishwasher safe. This makes it easy to clean and maintain. Say goodbye to dull knives and messy cutting boards. The Clever Cutter is here to make your life easier. It's perfect for chopping vegetables, fruits, herbs, and more. Make salads, stir-fries, and other delicious meals in minutes. The Clever Cutter is also great for people with limited mobility. Its easy-to-grip handle and simple design make it accessible to everyone. Enjoy the joy of cooking without strain or discomfort. Section 4. Addressing concerns. Some users have expressed concerns about the Clever Cutter's durability. They wonder if it can withstand regular use in a busy kitchen. Specifically, they worry about the plastic components and whether they might break or wear out over time. However, the Clever Cutter is made from high-quality BPA-free plastic. This material is known for its durability and safety, ensuring that it won't leach harmful chemicals into your food. This makes it both durable and safe for use with food. You can confidently use it for your daily meal prep without worrying about its longevity. Others question if it can handle tougher foods. They wonder if the blades are strong enough to cut through harder items without bending or dulling. While the Clever Cutter is perfect for most fruits and vegetables, it excels at making quick work of everyday ingredients like tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots. However, it's not ideal for very hard foods like bones or frozen meat. Attempting to cut these can damage the blades and reduce the tool's effectiveness. It's best to use it for its intended purpose, fast and easy chopping of everyday ingredients. By doing so, you'll ensure that your Clever Cutter remains a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. Section 5. Slicing up the competition. The Clever Cutter stands out from the crowd. This innovative tool combines the functionality of a knife and a cutting board into one, making it incredibly versatile and efficient. Whether you're slicing vegetables, fruits, or even meats, the Clever Cutter handles it all with ease. Compared to traditional knives, it offers more control and safety. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing the risk of accidents. Plus, the built-in cutting board means you can chop ingredients directly into your pot or pan, minimizing mess and cleanup time. Its compact size is a major advantage over bulky food processors. No more dragging out heavy equipment for simple tasks. The Clever Cutter is lightweight and easy to store, making it perfect for small kitchens or on-the-go meal prep. It's also more affordable and easier to clean. Unlike complicated gadgets with multiple parts, the Clever Cutter can be quickly rinsed off or placed in the dishwasher. This means less time spent on chores and more time enjoying your meals. The Clever Cutter is the perfect solution for busy individuals and families. It speeds up meal prep, allowing you to spend more time with loved ones. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this tool makes cooking a breeze. It's a kitchen hero that simplifies meal prep and saves precious time. Imagine effortlessly preparing salads, stir-fries, and snacks in minutes. The Clever Cutter transforms your cooking experience, making it more enjoyable and less stressful. So ditch the clutter and embrace the convenience of the Clever Cutter. Say goodbye to the chaos of multiple tools and hello to a streamlined, efficient kitchen. With the Clever Cutter, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it.